Hello, Namaste, Komasta, and Marhaba. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Easter Sunday, and we are going on a weekend ride to Sulthan Battery. Sulthan Battery is a tourist spot in Mangalore. It is 4 kilometers from Mangalore, and it's quite accessible by taxi or even by rickshaw. And there is bus service as well. So we have reached the place. This is Sulthan Battery. There is plenty of car parking and vehicle parking, and that's the fort. That's the mini fort you can see there. I will give more information about it once I park the bike. Okay, this is called as the Sulthan Battery of Mangalore, and we'll check it out here. This place is exactly 4 kilometers from Mangalore city. You can come here by bus number 16A. You see there, that's bus number 16A, and you can reach here. So we have some history, some board, so you can read that. So you see this one.
What's this door for?
This door is supposed to be, you see the board there, they're mentioning that it's a tunnel from here to Srirangapatnam, which is in Mysore. That's a rumor or the truth, we don't know, but that's how it is. This was built in which year?
Interesting.
Which year it was built?
1784.
1784 by Tipu Sultan.
Yeah, the ruler
So
of Mysore.
the ruler of Mysore, and this is called as Sulthan Battery. So you can see the construction here. We'll just go around it and see what's all about. These are all built by granite, if you can see here.
It's original? No, I mean
It
from,
is
from
real
before?
stones. Yeah, it's the original stones, and these are the original stones.
I mean that they never touch.
I suppose so, but looks like there is cement, and back in 1763 I don't know if there was cement there. So they made it as a nice place to go around. So hello, namaste, kamasta, and marhaba. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are in Sulthan Battery. So that's our intro now. A delayed intro, but we'll show you what's specific about this place, and more details I will put in the caption or put in the description about the location. So this was mainly built, we'll go to the top now and show you there. This was mainly built to protect against, or a watchtower, as a watchtower. Okay, so the British used to, if they had to come, they had to cross this river, which is Gurpura River. So they had to cross. So in order to protect this, the soldiers of Tipu Sultan will be holding their fort on the top, and from there they can shoot. And there's many provisions where you can shoot from here. You see there, those holes on the wall are places where they could shoot the enemy. Okay,
so much history of
so much history here.
This
These
is
are the
where?
steps. These are the steps going up, and as I said, you see here, from here, that's where the people there, the soldiers could keep their gun and they shoot from
This is
there.
really a form of gun.
Yeah. So those are the two provisions actually. If you see here on the left and on the right, so they can shoot the enemies from here. So let's go to the top. So this is, you can see, it's a small fort, small watchtower, I can say. So from here you can see the Gurpura River and the coastline. Now the interesting part is from here. Okay, if you see, that's the Gurpura River. Okay, and if you cross that river, is the shoreline. You can see the beach if you cross that river. This river is called Gurpura River, as I said. So we will go to the other side of this river, and we'll go to the beach. That's the plan. How do we go to the beach? We have to go by a small ferry, and we'll take a ticket from here, and we can go to the other side. So this tower is in Bolur town. So you can come here by 16 number bus or by taxi.
my hand. It's stuck.
There's snakes inside. There's snakes inside. Okay, let's go. Okay, now the next step will show you how to go to the other side of the shore, other side of the Gurpura River. That area is called as Bengra. Okay, so we'll go to the Bengra, we'll take a ferry and we'll go there. Today is Easter Sunday. I believe there will be 2 days Easter Sunday, so there will be queue, lot of queue. You can see, you can catch a ferry and go to the other side, which is Bengra. That's the ferry we will take to cross and go to Bengra. Now, time to buy the ticket. Ticket price is 15 rupees per head one way. You buy the ticket from here, then on the way back there's another counter on the other side. You have to buy it again from there for your return journey. Red ticket. Red. That was only 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. That's it.
This is the box.
Yeah, they have seafood. Let's go from here.
Tannirbhavi में गए थे।
So this is the main road what we will reach if we come by car. Okay, if you come by car, it's around 30 minutes from Sulthan Battery. So this is the main road where we will reach.
And we'll pay some
Again we have to pay here
20, I think.
15 plus 20
Yeah,
per head.
Entry.
We have all the facilities. I'll put the rate list there.
We're going to have a snack there.
Snack time. There's only few limited options, but please, Mangaloreans or anybody coming here, please don't trust the place. You see lots of trash here. Pick up your things when you leave.
Yes.
Keep the place clean.
Correct.
Even though you're paying 20 rupees, they're keeping it quite clean though. But clean much more. Keep it clean much more.
Maintain
Take
cleanliness.
responsibility, team.
Indian ಇಲ್ಲ normal
So this is the place where you can have, this is sugarcane juice. They make fresh. We'll take it like this. Thank you.
Cheers on camera.
Yes. So here we have fresh sugarcane juice from this shop here. Nice. So that was some nice juice,
Fresh.
sugarcane juice. They put some ginger, lemon, and raw sugarcane, pure sugarcane. That was nice.
You see, pay and use.
Yeah, that you can pay and sit and use. There's pay and use facilities. There,
It's clear.
yeah. Those places to sit, I don't know what they call.
Bench.
Benches. You can rent and use it. They have trash cans also. They have trash cans also. Please use it. So even though it's a Easter Sunday, the crowd seems to be much less than before. So as this is the Explore series, as you know, Explore series for Will2Go. What?
We put the slipper.
Water is warm. The beach is in the sun now.
No, we are waiting for sunset.
We are waiting for sunset.
Time now. Maybe
Timing
30 minutes
is-
it will set.
Yeah. What do you think on of the Sulthan Battery and the beach today? Because Easter it's crowded. It's not that crowded usually. Weekends it will be half of this, but it's a nice beach, well maintained beach.
No, sunset.
Sun is setting. People are enjoying the weather. Okay, so thanks everyone. So that's all for this video. Take care.
So windy.
Bye.